Welcome to Wealth Building Through Real Estate. I'm Dusty, your host, and today we're diving into the evolving landscape of the U.S. housing market. With mortgage rates dipping below 6%, it's an exciting time for both buyers and sellers. Let's start with a quick market overview. For the first time since 2022, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate fell to 5.98%. This change opens doors for potential homeowners, allowing median-income families to afford homes that are about $30,000 more expensive than last year. This is largely due to cooling inflation and rate cuts by the Federal Reserve in late 2025. Now, let's shift to buyer engagement. Recent data shows pending home sales increasing to 59,283, a notable rise from last year's numbers. Stability in mortgage rates between 6.0% and 6.3% has brought predictability back to the market, creating a more aligned space between buyers and sellers. Inventory levels are at multi-year highs, with over 700,000 homes available. This uptick in supply gives buyers more leverage, helping keep price growth in check. Higher inventory means more choices and potentially stronger negotiation positions for those in the market to buy. However, it hasn't been all smooth sailing. January saw existing home sales drop by 8.4%, the lowest in over 2 years, thanks in part to harsh weather and ongoing buyer caution. Yet, affordability continues to improve, with the Housing Affordability Index on the rise for 7 consecutive months. Despite slower sales, home prices continue to appreciate. The national median existing home price grew by 1.2%, contributing significantly to homeowner equity. Each percentage point increase represents a major gain in wealth for homeowners, highlighting real estate's role as a stable, long-term investment. Let's take a closer look at some regional trends. In Austin, active listings have increased by 11.1%, shifting the market toward more balanced conditions. Dallas-Fort Worth is experiencing a surge in price cuts, signaling an adjustment to high inventory levels. Meanwhile, Central Florida and Georgia are seeing competitive markets with active buyer interest and rising inventory. On the new home front, sales hit an annualized pace of 745,000 in December 2025. While that's a slight dip from the previous month, it's up year over year. Builders are increasingly offering incentives to attract buyers, with many implementing price cuts to help stimulate demand. For anyone looking to invest, this is a potentially rewarding time. Mortgage rates are favorable, inventory is ample, and there are strategic opportunities to secure properties at attractive prices. Whether through incentives, price reductions, or lower borrowing costs, these conditions set the stage for solid long-term equity gains. Remember, real estate remains a cornerstone of wealth accumulation. By making informed decisions and leveraging favorable market conditions, you can build a strong foundation for the future. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, when the dust settles, only the truth remains.